Hello, dear families. Today, I'm super excited to share with you an incredible discovery that is transforming the way we approach energy at home. I'm talking about the Solar Innovator, that step-by-step program that promises to create your own home power plant. I've tested it, and I need to tell you how amazing it was. Imagine being able to drastically reduce your energy bill by 50%, 75%, or even more from the first month, all thanks to the Solar Innovator. And the best part? Anyone, literally anyone with one hand, can do this. All you need to know is how to turn a screwdriver, play a video, and speak English. I know that sometimes these things seem complicated, but you'd be shocked at how simple the steps are and the short list of materials required. The Solar Innovator provides easy, step-by-step instructions, and guess what? You can download the files to your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Now, I know it might sound expensive, but believe me, the time, money, and effort they put into this are worth every penny. The instructions are so easy to follow that even I, not a tech expert, managed to set up my own system in less than 2 hours and for less than $200. The Solar Innovator is simply amazing. You can create your own unlimited and uninterrupted power source. The savings are real, reaching 50%, 75%, or even more. And you know what's even more surprising? You can power any type of appliance, from light bulbs to refrigerators, without relying on the electrical grid. And check this out. It's not like those conventional solar panels that can be ripped off by strong winds. The Solar Innovator is light and portable, perfect for emergencies. Imagine having enough electricity to cook and preserve food even in challenging situations. In short, this is just a glimpse of what the Solar Innovator can do for you. If you want to learn more and, most importantly, secure access to the official program, check the link in the description. Don't buy from unofficial sites.